If you're a music producer or a content creator struggling to grow on YouTube, this video can save you years of guessing. Guess what? I hit 1,000 subscribers without ads, big influencers, or without expensive gears from Nigeria. And today, I will be breaking down the exact system that worked. What's up, family? It's ozbibeatz. I run two brands, ozbibeatz for music production and viral creator entertainment for YouTube growth. For a long time, I posted, I deleted, I restarted, and saw no results. But the moment I stopped treating YouTube like a hobby and started treating it like a business, everything changed. Most people try to go viral. I decided to build a search plus system challenge. Instead of asking, what should I post? I asked, what are people looking for? What are people already searching for? And how can I help? Which will be of help to me also. And that one question changed everything. I stopped posting randomly. Every video had one clear purpose: to solve a problem. So I used search data, trending topics, and creators' pain points to guide my ideas, not vibes. The first step I want to talk about today is strategic content. I stopped posting randomly. Every video had one clear purpose, which is to solve a real problem. So I used search data, trending topics, and creators' pain to guide my ideas, not vibes at all. The second thing is magnetic titles. Your title is your salesman, and if your title is weak, your video is invisible. I write titles that triggers curiosity. Triggers curiosity, promises a result, and speaks directly to pain. The next step is the short traffic engine, which is popularly known as the Collab system. You see, this is a secret most people don't know. YouTube has a feature called collabs on shorts. You know where to find it, right? If you don't know where to find it, let me know in the comment section. And it's 100% allowed. That is if you use it the right way. A lot of people use it the wrong way and it endangers their channel. It endangers their channel. So here's what I do. I find a viral or trending short from creators with millions of subscribers. Note it, millions of subscribers. I use the collab feature to create my own version. Their audience now sees my face, my channel, my message inside their viral stream. So instead of waiting for people to find me, I place my content in front of an already massive audience. Then in my caption and pinned comment, I send them to my long form videos. That is how shorts become free traffic ads. Please note, I didn't compete with the big creators. I only collaborated with their audience. Do you get it? Right. You see, a lot of people does not know that hashtags are not decorations. They are discovery tools. Let me put it like that. They are discovery tools. I don't use random hashtags. I use viral hashtags that relate. Mind you, it must relate with the kind of videos you're posting. Do you understand? I use strategic and specific hashtags that matches my content, niche, and audience. So instead of using just anyhow hashtags, I just use hashtags like hashtag FYP, hashtag viral, hashtag shorts, which have about 1.5 billion videos on it right now, and several millions of creators have used. I think around 80 million creators have used the hashtag. There are many other viral hashtags that way, but it should resonate with what you are looking for, what you're trying to achieve on YouTube. This alone tells YouTube who to show my content to, and when the right people sees it, guess what? They subscribe. And so lastly, to end this particular video, I'm going to be showing you some proof and screen examples from my phone, where I get to show you which post and which post to get to, works as my subscribers growth post, my short views, and then traffics from the shorts. That wasn't luck, it was an already existing system, and I bet you, I tell you, you don't have to leave the YouTube app to go and create it somewhere and all of those things. Everything exists inside the YouTube app, but just know the right strategies and the right tools to use for it. So I'll be scrolling my phone to show you which one gave me the amount of subscribers I want. We're about coming to the end of this particular video. If you're a music producer, a musician, creator or a business and you want to grow faster on this YouTube, I offer professional music production, mixing, mastering, and YouTube growth services. Link are in the description. Subscribe now. This channel is now for serious creators. Let's go. So till I see you next time, I still remain your favorite ozbibeatz. Please subscribe.